Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I'm going to show you how to rotate or flip a picture on your iPhone without using any third-party software. So first things first, go to your photos and locate the photo that you want to rotate. So as you can see, I need to flip this photo to get it to be the right orientation. So the first thing you want to do is at the very bottom, you'll see some settings there. The one next to the eye with the circle is going to allow you to make adjustments. So these little three lines with the circles on them. And then you want to tap on crop at the very bottom. So tap into crop here. And then once you're in the crop settings, you'll see something in the upper left-hand corner that has a square and a left pointing arrow. Go ahead and tap that. And as you can see, this allows me to flip the photo as many times as I want. So again, I can flip this 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and then all the way around. Once you are done, you tap done in the upper right-hand corner and your image is rotated like you would want it. Now, if you do make a mistake, you just go into the adjustment settings once more, go to crop here, and you can make the rotation again to fix the mistake that you made. Tap done and you are good to go. So if this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.